This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Someone has their directions mixed up. Can you help? Oh, well, let's see what they mean. Okay, I move forward. I turn right. Ooh, and I jump. Here, let's use step. It's really good for debugging. So I'm going to click step here, and I jump forward 1. Now, which line of code makes me turn? I hit step. Oh, it must be this one. And this one I move forward, but that looks cracked. Yep, so that line's the problem. So let's debug here. I'm going to get rid of that line and reset this. So if I move forward and turn right, what if I move forward and turn left? And then try moving forward. Let's take a look at this. I'm going to go step and just run it one line at a time. Yep. Left. Yep. And now that I'm standing here, oh, it looks like I'd need to go to right. So, and then move forward. Let me attach these blocks that they have. And notice now I have 6 out of 6 blocks. That is looking good. Let's hit run. Code always runs in order. So make sure you follow through it with it. Read it line by line, use step, and always run and check if it's working often. Let's keep going.